Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In my videos over the past 2 to 3 days, I clearly underlined that it was time for Bitcoin to rip up. Not only did I give you the direction, but I also pointed out repeatedly that once we broke through 106.4K, we could see a full rip through the entire 3-day liquidation heat map cluster, ranging from 106.4K to 109.5K. At the time of recording, we just did exactly that in the past 24 hours. Even I am a bit surprised because I expected us to range longer below the 106.4K level. In yesterday's video, I showed you why this was such a hard level to break. It took 8 attempts from November 2024 to May this year to finally break upwards. Right now, as I record this, we are sitting at 110.2K. From the positions I opened around 105K, I had placed profit takes at approximately 109.3K. That was the next yellow horizontal support and resistance line below the current price action. This level could now act as support if we move lower and begin to consolidate after this marathon run through the entire red box of short liquidation leverage. Today was an extremely bad day for bears. We saw a total of $395.58 million in liquidations, with $322.98 million of that coming from shorts. That is brutal, but honestly self-inflicted. You simply do not short in a bull year. In other news, there are rumors floating on social media that the Federal Reserve may introduce a rate cut at their meeting on the 18th of June, which is just 8 days away. I remain skeptical on how solid this rumor is. The current target rate is 4.25 to 4.5%, and we are currently sitting at 4.5%. The probability for a 4.25 to 4.5% target rate sits at 98.2%. The probability for a 4% to 4.25% target rate is only 1.8%. Another indicator suggesting no change is the poly market bet on whether there will be a Fed decision in June. Usually they are pretty accurate, as insiders can bet pseudo-anonymously. The result for no change is currently leading with a 97% chance, while a 25 basis point decrease is showing just a 2% chance. So the ball seems to be more in the corner of no change. We also had a big announcement today. Michael Saylor posted on X that MicroStrategy acquired 1,045 Bitcoin for roughly $110.2 million, at an average price of about $105,426 each. As of June 8, 2025, their total holdings now stand at 582,000 coins, purchased for approximately $40.79 billion at an average price of about $70,086. Impressive. Very nice. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.